Didn't think of you when I meditated. Is it? I'm gliding through this. Yeah, I'm gliding too, but like... I can't see. I'm going left over, but it is so fucking dark. I know, I love it. You should tell me that. I'm glad your headlights are working. They're not on? You're telling me they're not on? They are on. I just got the shitty ones. I can't. My high beams aren't working. Yeah, that's crazy. My fucking, I don't have high beams. What? Yo, their camera wigs out and shit. Well, I can see your headlights fucking work. You lighting up the backside of my car. Is he? Oh, the NPC was about to do it. Look at this. Yo, he bugging. Oh, what the fuck? I thought he was gonna cut the road. What's it called? He cut it, yes, words, yeah. He hit a triangle. I just noticed that the light indicator works. What it is called. The indicators, like the in-car, the fucking indicator lights. No, not just the blinkers, like the indicators, like the check engine light, the fucking ABS light. I didn't know that. I'm just now seeing it. Just a warm-up left. I'm working out some of the power. 5 minutes, where are we going? So head up north in 5 minutes? Oh, bring it under. Go under. Which one is that? Not this one right here, this one coming up. That's not for the ball. Damn, those balls. Oh. Do our brake lights work? They do. You just can't stop. What car is that, by the way? 220. Supposed to be on the car. It's my second favorite. That was one of my many favorite cars when it did. taking down the enemy.
A few moments later.
Put it right behind that just like a tie. Go tell her grip just when I fly. I got a dollar on my ops block. She always get up the drop. We always gonna be on top. Whether you like it or not, she too cool, but I'm hot, baby cool. And from the back, she made me say warriors. I hit that girl, made her pull up rodeo. I hit that and I had break my shoulder. Opened up a loaf of bread and spread it out. I remember I almost didn't make it out.
My reflexes did nothing just now.
I said no, I can beat it out. Put it in there, screaming like take it out. I'm just no feelings with my own relations now. I had got money, then took the paper out. I said you ain't got my settle now. You don't really charge my way, won't take it now. But don't worry, cause we gonna work it out. Cook the crack like a chef, so I beat it out. That's okay, my, that's my baby now. Keep it on the low, cause that's your lady now. I just made me 180 now. That's how much the quality paid out. I got the beats on it, you more madness. Yeah, y'all get the slug, hit it from the bed, nigga in the goods. Yeah, I slap it on the blood, whole lot of white stuff from the blood. I know that whole freak, she's a nut. She just on me young nigga going nuts. Block 17, all of the nuts. Y'all niggas really front for what? Get a pussy nigga boss for nothing. All the time in the hush, kill a nigga for the money. In the hood, home stunning, money. In the booty club, throwing money. Just like a diamond nigga, know I'm shining. And I do this shit, Monday through Sunday. Y'all probably fuck, can't get no money. My life and these niggas, they ain't doing nothing. Yeah, I smoke big black, bitch, I big stuff. Every round I know this like I got a big gun. Nigga be claiming I point my finger, they gon' open up a loaf of bread and spread it out. I remember I almost didn't make it out. You too old to just keep trying to burn it out. She said, look, we'll see, please, can you eat me out? I said, no, I can't, I can beat it out. Put it in and she screaming like, take it out. Just no feelings, but no unrelated.